September the 17th. He is the Lord. Let him do what is good in his eyes. 1 Samuel chapter 3 verse 18. If I see God in everything, he will calm and color everything I see. Perhaps the circumstances causing my sorrows will not be removed, and my situation will remain the same. But if Christ is brought into my grief and gloom as my Lord and Master, he will surround me with songs of deliverance. Psalm 32 verse 7. To see him and to be sure that his wisdom and power never fail and his love never changes. To know that even his most distressing dealings with me are for my deepest spiritual gain is to be able to say in the midst of bereavement, sorrow, pain, and loss, the Lord gave and the Lord has taken away. May the name of the Lord be praised. Job chapter 1 verse 21. Seeing God in everything is the only thing that will make me loving and patient with people who annoy and trouble me. Then I will see others as the instruments God uses to accomplish his tender and wise purpose for me. And I will even find myself inwardly thanking them for the blessing they have become to me. Nothing but seeing God will completely put an end to all complaining and thoughts of rebellion. Hannah Whittle Smith. Give me a new idea, I said, while thinking on a sleepless bed. A new idea that'll bring to earth a balm for souls of priceless worth. Then give men thoughts of things above and teach them how to serve and love. That'll banish every selfish thought and rid men of the sins they've fought. The new thought came, just how, I'll tell. 'Twas when on bended knee I fell, and sought from him who knows full well the way our sorrow to expel. See God in all things, great and small, and give him praise whate'er befall. In life or death, in pain or woe, see God and overcome your foe. I saw him in the morning light. He made the day shine clear and bright. I saw him in the noontide hour and gained from him refreshing shower. At evening, when worn and sad, he gave me help and made me glad. At midnight, when on tossing bed my weary soul to sleep he led. I saw him when great losses came, and found he loved me just the same. When heavy loads I had to bear, I found he lightened every care. By sickness, sorrow, sore distress, he calmed my mind and gave me rest. He's filled my heart with joyous praise, since I gave him the upward gaze. 'Twas new to me, yet old to some, this thought that to me has become a revelation of the way we all should live throughout the day. For as each day unfolds its light, we'll walk by faith and not by sight. Life will indeed a blessing bring if we see God in everything. A. E. Finn.